Mine Crypto here. I hope we're all having a wonderful day. And today's title of the video is I'm never selling my quant. 2 trillion market cap. Please remember, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research. Anyhow, first and foremost, we look at the crypto bubbles. We are down 1 rank to 40 with a market cap of 1.09 billion. We're currently sitting over that $90 mark, and we have a trading volume quite low at $8 million. And as we can see, we're down 0.1% in the hour, up 0.2% in the day, down 0.9% in the week, and down 10.3% in the month. And as you can see, it's a bit mixed. It is the weekend, but we have a look at Bull Shark Trading and his analysis. He says 6-hour time frame looking interesting here. We have a support turned resistance box with price currently testing it. Not much momentum in these candles, so we could see a rejection here. Look for inverse head and shoulders pattern to form, as we could see price push from there and break the resistance box and turn it back into support. A failure of the head and shoulders to hold could see price make a run on the sell side liquidity at $84.99. A breakout from the resistance box, we will look for price to test the resistance trend line. And as we can see here from Bull Shark, looking very, very interesting. Now, this is why I am not selling quant, because there's loads of talk about this. And as we see from Miles Bron, I bought quant because I know it's like buying Apple or Google in the 1980s. Quant is like Apple, Google, but for the new financial monetary system, iOS of blockchain. Quant is globalizing financial inclusion, offline payments. Quant is blockchain. And we see this from VH. Quant is the new Microsoft or Google in the making, and it's incredible to see its transformation from a small startup company to a global company. And we see Quant here. And we also see this. I mean, I'm seeing this everywhere. Lots of people talking in this bullish way. Being bullish on Quant over Link is like saying Yahoo search is better than Google. Interesting that people still willing to die on the hill rather than just admit they're wrong, or at least hedge their bets, which I actually agree with. But I'm seeing this everywhere. Lots of people are comparing the quant overledger to Google. Now, and I see this article from Benzinga. If you invested $1,000 in Google stock at IPO, here's how much you'd have now. What happened in 2003, Google was named the fastest growing technology company. Revenue at the company had grown 437,000% in 5 years to nearly $1 billion. The company held its IPO in 2004 to offer investors a way to bet on future success of the company. Google held its IPO on August 19, 2004. The company price shares were $85 each, down from the original range of $108 to $135, and at the low end of the revised range of $85 to $95. The IPO gave Google a valuation of $23 billion. Shares of the company were up 18% on the first day of trading, and over the years would be one of the best performing stocks. In 2015, Google changed its name to Alphabet, undergoing a rebranding to help focus on being more of a search business. Page called Alphabet, collection of companies at the time. So let's go down to the juicy bit. Investing $1,000 in Google stock. Google shares priced at $85 on August 19th, 2004. The shares were offered via auction. Those lucky enough to get an allocation of shares have been pleasantly rewarded. A $1,000 investment could have purchased 11.76 shares of Google stock in the IPO. Google underwent splits of 2-for-1 in 2014 and 20-for-1 in 2022. And this is what we see. So the 11.76 shares would now be worth a total of 470 shares after the stock splits. The $1,000 investment would be worth, wait for it, $1,164,133.88 today, based on current share price at $105 at the time of writing. Google shares have posted an incredible 116,000% return since going public, rewarding investors along the way and potentially turning them into millionaires as shown. And as we know, Quant over Ledger is at the very early stages of its journey, and we are here. So let's have a look. So I went over to the market cap of, and I thought I would then compare this against. So at current, we're looking at $90 for Quant, and we've got Google at $131. So if we then click the Google all-time high, a market cap of nearly $2 trillion, we would see Quant at $137,000, which is a 1500x from where it is right now. So this is why I will never sell all my quant. I will hold my quant forever and a day. Why? Because as we've heard from people like Miles Bronze saying here, I bought Quant because I know it's like Apple or Google in the 1980s. He says here, Quant is globalizing financial inclusion, offline payments. Quant is blockchain. If we look at it in terms of that, well, then we could see a $2 trillion market for Quant. Anyhow, it's all really lip puckering stuff, right? Who knows? Could this be in 10 years, 15 years? But I know I'm never going to sell all my Quant. I don't know about you. What are you going to do? Are you going to hold some for that rainy day in the future when you're retired? I think I'm going to. Anyhow, remember, please subscribe. Please hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any further videos. All the best, and I'll catch you later.